Select the company to add in the purchase order entries and to view its report. Then, click Entries. There will be few subtabs underneath Sales Department. Click on Incoming Purchase Order. Add in the quotation ref no and click on the green icon. By doing that, the product will be detected and be added in the bottom of the page. Now, add in the PO reference number, PO date, the person in charge at the attention to and the PO terms accordingly. If you have more items to be added in, follow the similar steps that's been illustrated in quotation entries video. Then, click on the green Add button. Next, click Save Purchase Order. To view the PO reports, click on the Reports tab. Then, click the Sales Reports. There will be few subtabs underneath. Click on Purchase Order Reports. To search the purchase reports, in all these ways or by just clicking Search PO. You can view all the PO underneath it. You can click on the magnifying glass icon to view the purchase report. Click the red X to delete the quotation. To print, scroll up to click Print Report. And to export the data to Excel, click on the Export button. These are the steps as illustrated. Thank you for watching.